Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp is not starting with some steps that you need to follow both. So before we start this, please guys subscribe to the channel. So first thing that I need to go, just pressing here right click, then go for Task Manager, and then you will go for the search bar and press WhatsApp. If you find just and task, and then try to reopen it if it is fixed. Thank me later. If it is not, guys, we will go through second solution, which is we go for the apps, install the apps, and then we will go for WhatsApp. Here guys, you will just press advanced options, and then you will just press restart. I mean, this will delete all the app data on the device, and then after restarting. If it is the same issue and still not launching, I will back to that, uninstall the apps, then I will go for WhatsApp, then press three dots here and just guys install it, and then go for Microsoft Store. If you don't find there, just please go for search and just search for store. Here you'll just type WhatsApp, you'll find the first one, and then just download it. I hope guys this solves your issues. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe.